True is committed to bringing the highest quality materials and products to your kitchen. The new hydrocarbon refrigerant system does just that. The new HC series is great on the environment and energy efficient. The addition of the digital temperature display ensures with a glance foods stay within the recommended guidelines and maintain maximum freshness. Each door possesses its own lock for added security measures. Guaranteed for the life of the unit are the 12-inch long recessed door handles and hinges. The interior has an NSF-approved clear-coated aluminum liner, stainless steel floor with cove corners, 6 adjustable shelves, LED lights, and the condenser fan moves air around with such efficiency that it will help reduce energy waste. Find the true T-49-HC and more at Burkett.com. Burkett Restaurant Equipment. Exceptional service. Every customer, every time.